Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Battery section over here. Now to switch on high performance mode, you need to click on it over here. Then select OK in the pop-up, and as you can see after that, higher performance is on. If you wish to turn it off, you need to click on Save Battery or Balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!